Hey everyone, welcome to the first part of this phenomenal logo design course. In this video, I will cover the basics of logo design and different terminologies related to logo design. Let's begin by understanding that what is a logo. In simple words, logo is a graphical symbol designed for the instant representation of a brand. There are a lot of myths regarding to logo design, like it must be logical, it must have a background story with different integrated elements. These aspects are true to some extent, but the primary and most crucial element of the logo design is that it must have a unique personality. Once we have a unique logo design, we can add our own background story to it. We will discuss this topic, that how to add our own background story to the logo, later in this course. For now, the primary and most important purpose of the logo design is to achieve instant brand recognition and to make the brand stand out from the crowd. Just like whenever you see this swoosh, you instantly recognize that this is Nike. Or whenever you see this rounded icon, you know that it's Pepsi. You don't care about the logical reasoning and background stories behind these designs. The only thing that matters is their unique personality and ability to make the brand instantly recognizable. Now, let's explore different terminologies related to logo design, like logo type, lettermark, mascot, emblem, etc. Let me explain with the help of this sample design. We commonly refer this as a logo, and that's true. But as a logo designer, you must know the terminologies behind this one. This logo is the combination of two different elements. The icon part is known as logo mark, and this typography part is known as logo type. Now, this logo mark is further categorized into letter mark, word mark, pictorial mark, abstract mark, mascot, combination mark, and emblem. I will explain each category with the example of a fictional brand. Let's say that we named our fictional brand as Falcon. First of all, we will define the letter mark. If we design our logo by using the initial letter of the brand name, in our case it is letter F, then this type of logo mark is called as letter mark. Popular examples include brands like Channel, Adobe, and Facebook. Next, we have word mark. Let's say that we designed our logo mark by using just the brand name. There is no separate icon. In this case, it will be called as word mark. Word mark can be a simple lettering like Google, or stylized handwritten letters like Coca-Cola. Next in the line is pictorial mark. It is a design that represents anything that is directly related to the brand. Just like this minimalist Falcon design, it directly emphasizes on the brand name. Popular examples in this case include Apple and the Twitter bird. Next, we have abstract mark. This is basically a subcategory of pictorial mark that represents the brand, but in a subtle, or you can say in an indirect way. For example, we designed the logo for Falcon by using these abstract wings. We know that these are wings, but we are not sure that whether these wings represent Falcon or some other bird. So this is the difference between pictorial mark and abstract mark. Pictorial mark represents the brand in a direct way, but abstract mark represents the brand in a subtle, or you can say in an indirect way. Just like this abstract swoosh represents Nike. At number 5, we have mascot. Mascot is a detailed illustration or character design with complex details, just like this detailed illustration of a falcon. Some of the popular brands also use the mascot design, just like KFC Colonel and Mr. Peanut. Then we have combination mark. It basically combines two different categories, such as this design is the combination of abstract mark and a word mark. So every logo that includes an icon and a typography, it will be called as combination mark. And lastly, we have emblem. In this category, the typography of logo is enclosed inside a shape, just like this. This type is commonly used by car brands like Lamborghini, Ford, and BMW. And these are the 7 categories, or you can say the terminologies of logo mark. I tried my best to simplify these terminologies for your ease and better understanding. I hope that you grasp the concepts completely. Now, let's proceed to the next part of this video, in which we will explore the difference between typeface and font. A typeface includes different lettering styles. Just like Poppins is a typeface, with variations such as light, regular, bold, italic, etc. The entire family of these variations is known as typeface, but the single variation is called as font. For example, Poppins Light is a font and Poppins Bold is another font. So, the entire family is known as typeface and each member of the family is known as font. I hope that you understood the difference between the typeface and font. And with this, we are done with the first part of this logo design course. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for your time and have a fantastic day.